student, today we are learning the dimensions of physical quantity. Dimensions and dimensional analysis, this topic we are learning. Dimension is defined as the power to which fundamental unit must be raised in order to obtain the unit of the given physical quantity.
For mass, we'll write the m. Okay. For the dimensions, we always write in square bracket capital M. If it is a length is there. Okay. Length means if I write the small l symbol, for dimensions, I will write the capital L. Is it clear? Yes. Next is that the
Yes, ma'am.
time. Time is denoted by maybe small t or maybe capital T. Some notations are there. There we use the capital T for the period of the oscillation. But sometimes we use the small t. That is a symbol or notations are there. But for the dimension, always use the capital letter. LMT. These are the fundamental physical quantity we are writing in dimension. Capital letters of it, MLT in square bracket. Have you understood? Now, if anyone is asked here, what is the dimension of M? Then you will say that the M is there, capital M. But instead of that also, we can write here M raised to 1, L raised to 0, T raised to 0. Okay, in square bracket. Means always write MLT form. In square bracket, MLT form. This is a basic thing is there. And if you consider the temperature, next is a current, then that physical quantity also write in capital letter. But basically these are used MLT form. Okay. Now here the power indices are there. That indices rule is applied for it. Next is that the if it is a length is there, in that length we write the in square bracket L. But in complete form, how we are writing? M raised to 0, L raised to 1, T raised to 0. Have you understood this? For length, for time also someone will, can also write this capital T only, or they may be write M raised to 0, L raised to 0 and T raised to 1. Okay, this is a complete form you can write here, and sometime we can write also this only T also, that is also corrected. Or here MLT, maybe we can change the place of it, that is LMT. Some teachers are writing in this form LMT or MLT. There is no harm to change the place of it. This is again correct and this one is again correct form is there. After that, current is again fundamental quantity and this current is denoted by capital A. Maybe here again some textbooks are used capital I or capital A. We are using capital A here. Okay, then how we'll write in dimension of the current? Dimension of the current is writing A. And for complete form, we'll write M raised to 0, L raised to 0, T raised to again 0. Current is not depends upon the time. And A raised to, what is that? A raised to 1. Okay, like that we'll write here. Next is if temperature is there. For temperature, again, some textbook is use the Kelvin K or they may be use the theta. We used here theta. Okay, and for the temperature, we write in square bracket theta, and again for it, again MLTA, A raised to 0 and theta raised to 1, means M raised to 0, L raised to 0, T raised to 0. Okay, this is again correct and this is again correct form is there. Now we'll come to the next part is there, that is the area. Okay, now for area, basic formula, what is that basic formula for the area? Simple.
Length into breadth.
Length into length.
Length into the breadth, that is L into B, and here it is measured in L, unit of
Into L.
length and unit of length, and here we can write L square.
L into L.
Okay, and then dimension में कैसे लिखना है? We'll write in dimension L raised to 2 or complete form. How to write the complete form? How to write in complete?
M raised to 0, T raised to 0, L raised to 2.
T raised to 0.
2.
Yes.
T raised to 0.
Yes, good. Now next is a volume.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, how we can take that B is equal to L, length into length?
That is the basic formula. Use the formula for
Breadth
it.
is measured in length
हाँ.
according to fundamental
हाँ.
quantities.
Unit,
Yes, yes.
we are using the unit of length for the dimension, unit of the breadth in dimension, that is L into L. L means not only for the length, it is a unit of L represented unit of length. Have you cleared this? This
Yes,
M means
thank you,
what?
ma'am.
In
Yes.
dimension. M means what? MLT. This must be clear. In dimension, capital M means
Yes,
not
ma'am.
mass. It is a unit of mass. L means the unit of length and T means the unit of time. Anywhere you write here, this is a unit of mass, unit of length and unit of time. Is it clear? This is not a time, this is a unit of time, that is second. Now come to the volume. Volume formula I consider as a length into the breadth
Length
into
cube.
the height.
L
Okay?
cube.
Length into H.
We can also write the pi r square h value of it, cylindrical formula, but basic we can say as a LBH. Okay. Now this is unit of the length is capital
LBH.
L, L and L. Is it clear? ये वाला H. This
L,
one is the
L.
H. L, L,
Yes, ma'am.
L. How many L are there? 3. That's
L
why L
cube.
raised to 3.
3 L cube.
3 L cube.
3
Okay.
L cube.
Indices rule already you are perfect. 1 plus 1 plus 1 L raised to 3. Now we can also write this in complete form. Complete form में भी कैसे लिखते हैं यहाँ पे? L raised to 3.
M raised
Short
to
form में
0,
M raised to 0,
0,
L raised to
L
0.
raised to 3,
L
T
raised
raised
to
to 0.
3, T raised to 0.
Okay, good. Now it is clear. Now
yes,
you
ma'am.
solve this
Yes,
density.
ma'am.
Everyone solve the density. What is the formula for the density? In your notebook, write this. Density. Density.
M upon V.
Those students are not writing, please write this. Density, I am writing the formula. Density is equal to mass upon, what is that? Volume.
Volume.
Okay. Then after that, this write in unit form. Mass, if we are writing the unit of mass, capital M. Volume, we are writing the L cube. And then we can write in dimension
cube.
L
form.
cube.
M raised
M
to
raised to
1.
1.
Okay. And
L
L
raised
raised
to 1,
to
L raised
3
to
and T raised to
minus
0.
3,
T raised to 0.
T raised to
Good.
0.
T raised to 0. Okay. This is the way we are finding the dimensions of it. Have we cleared this? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Only few students are saying the yes, ma'am. इतने सारे
Yes,
स्टूडेंट्स
ma'am.
हैं यहाँ पे 47 students हैं. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
erase.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Enough.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
जिसको स्क्रीनशॉट चाहिए उन्होंने जल्दी से ले लेना इसका स्क्रीनशॉट. ठीक है? I will clear this.